Hi students, today we are starting our next topic, regions of transfer RNA. Number 1, amino acid attachment site. It occurs at third end of transfer RNA and has hydroxyl group of ribose molecule which is free to pair. Recognition site, it contains specific base sequence which dictates the attachment of correct amino acid to transfer RNA molecule. Anticodon or codon recognition site. This site has 3 unpaired bases whose sequence is complementary with the codon in messenger RNA. Ribosome recognition site. This helps in attachment of transfer RNA in the ribosome. This site is common to all molecules of RNA. Translation. The process in which sequence of nucleotides in messenger RNA is translated into the sequence of amino acid of a polynucleotide chain. Our next topic, that is steps of translation. Number 1, initiation of polynucleotide chain. Initiation is always brought by amino acid, that is methionine. Transfer RNA deposit methionine to the first amino acid of polypeptide chain. Transfer RNA deposit methionine at intercalary position in the polypeptide chain. Methionine codon is AUG. It means every message begins with codon AUG. The amino acid attaches to transfer RNA and gets activated. In eukaryotes, the initiation polypeptide chain is brought about by special methionine. Number 2, elongation of polypeptide chain. Binding of amino acid in transfer RNA site A of larger subunit of ribosome. The larger subunit of ribosome has 2 slots where 2 molecules of transfer RNA are attached, which is called P site, that is known as donor or potential site, and A site, that is known as amino acyl or amino acetyl or receptor site. In this step, a peptide bond is formed between carboxylic group of peptidyl transfer RNA at P site. After the formation of peptide bond, the RNA from P site releases and the polypeptide chain is transferred to transfer RNA present on A site. Movement of peptidyl transfer RNA from A site to P site competes with molecule of GTP. Step 3, termination of polypeptide chain. It occurs when the ribosome carrying peptidyl transfer RNA reaches the termination code of messenger RNA at each end of cistron. The releasing factor with termination codon forms a complex which includes the enzyme peptidyl transferase to catalyze termination and release of polypeptide chain. Next step, modification of release polypeptide chain. The formyl group from first amino acid methionine is released polypeptide chain which is removed by enzyme dehydrogenase. Some other enzyme also are removed and some of the from amino acid either from A site or P site. This polypeptide chain alone gets folded up to around the tertiary structure and modifies into functional gene. Now we will see here how this process takes place. You can see this is the messenger RNA. It is attached on the P site. You can see this is the amino acid of polypeptide. Now here codon 1 recognition. Number 1 is recognized, and after recognition it will come in this manner. Now peptide bond formation. You can see in what manner. After released it is attached to this and single chain is formed. Now translocation. Translocation means now place is changed. You can see this is after addition of GDP. GTP is converting to GDP, guanine triphosphate and guanine diphosphate, and now this is the ribosome ready for next amino acyl transfer RNA. Today whatever I have taught you, I am sending you its PDF. Thank you.